Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So in this video I'll be sharing with you all a complete review of this A6 loop organizer planner from Neorah. So basically it's a planner which comes along with an organizer. It's in the variant A6. Now along with this you get quite a lot of different things, so let's just go through it. So like I showed you, you get a thank you note, some manual, and then you get 3 of these metallic sticker sheets. You've got your regular stickers, which I've already shared with you guys earlier. Then you've got a little hourly planner. Again, I have spoken about this in one of my previous videos. It's just a planner that you can use to organize your hours. Then you get this two kind of like a planner inserts in the organizer. So basically these are planners divided from Jan to June and then July to December, and this is the organizer. It's an A6 size and it's the one with a loop, and you can insert those planners in it and it becomes your organizer planner. So first let's start off with what exactly is there in this planner. So firstly, these colors that they come in are constant because anyway the main color will be the organizer that you'll be using, like how in my case as the lilac or purple color. Now starting off, the first page is just normal with your info and then vision board. Then you have your monthly layout. Now over here you basically have your previous month and the coming month lookout, and then things to do, priorities or goals for the month and so on. So you have all the 12 months like this. So one thing that I've noticed in Neorah's planners is that the layout are same for everything. Like all the planners have same layout, it's just the size that it differs, and then as per the size you can get the planner that you want. Now for the daily planning, you can see here you've got your priority section, affirmations, then you've got your what you're grateful for, accomplishments, and they've also given a user manual where you can see how you can use it. It is quite spacious, but I wouldn't recommend this planner for a student because this is more like for working people. But if you're someone who wants an organizer planner that comes in a good organizer binder sort of thing, then you can go ahead for this. But this is something that I'm personally going to be using in the coming year because it's so handy. I can carry it at my workplace and it's so lightweight as well. So you have the same labeling going on. Then you've got your budget breakdown or a budget sheet. Now one thing I didn't like about it is that they've included 2 months in a single budget sheet, like Jan, Feb, March, April, like that, and they've given an entire page for it, so you'll have to like consolidate both of the budget. But needless, it's fine because I'm anyway going to be using a separate budget binder. Then of course you've got your habit tracking, your password username tracker, and then notes section and passion section. So basically this is how it works in. It's exactly the same as the previous 2 planners that I shared with you guys, but the size is different. Then you have the same copy but from July to December. Now personally, yes, I will be using it, but this is not going to be my only planner. This is going to be like my handy work planner which I'll be carrying with me at my workplace. So that's the reason I'm going to be choosing this one. It is slightly expensive, but again you can use my code himanishah to get some extra discount. Now this is the best part about this planner organizer. This is the A6 loop binder organizer, whatever you want to call them. It's very pretty. I went for this pretty lilac purple color, but they have a lot of different colors that you can choose from, and plus it's reusable. So next year if you want to use the same thing, you just have to order these planners and that's all, and you can use the planner inside the organizer. So this is how I'm doing it. Actually it was quite a bit of struggle, so after a lot of struggle I was able to finally put in. So after almost 10 minutes of struggling, I finally put in the planner, and this is how it looks. It's so lightweight, like you literally don't feel like it's a planner in there. And yeah, this is how it looks. I personally really liked it, and they have like a lot of varieties you can choose from. They also have an A5 size one, so if you are looking for a bigger one, you can check that one out. So guys, this was the video. I hope you all liked it and found it helpful. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.